Hey, good morning, everyone. This is Curtis Fillers. I want to thank you for tuning in to my YouTube channel. And today is Sunday, November the 10th, 2019. It's about 9:05 in the morning here in Charlotte, North Carolina. And today I want to talk about this new business I got into the other day. It's probably been 3 days ago. Um, MyBitcoinTube. All you do here, you can actually do this for free. All you do is watch YouTube videos and make Bitcoin for watching YouTube videos. I don't recommend doing this for free because it would take you pretty much forever to make any kind of money. But all you do is you're going to pay $1 for an ad pack. And once you do that, um, you get credits for banners and for your videos. And this is a great place to get likes and get views for your YouTube's uh, videos. If you're having trouble getting some views, this will help in your ranking. So what you're going to do is you're going to come in here and load your video up here. I'm going to show you where I've got mine at right now under manage videos. I've got 300 credits now, so I could actually put in three more right now. I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I got 9 videos in here now. And see, here are the views they're getting. They're just starting off 6, 11, 9. Let's see, 3, 3, 12, 44 on the other one. Um, and see, what I'm going to do, I'm going to demonstrate here exactly how this works. That's why when I got up this morning, I had more paid videos. I had 10 paid videos. I had 9 super videos. And I'm not sure how many bonus videos I had. And I didn't want to do it all before I did this video. I want to show you how this works. So what you do, you're going to get 10 paid videos a day. So now I'm down to 3 now. And all you're going to do is watch them, and you get paid in Bitcoin by what group you're in. And what you want to do is you want to build up your BVP as high as possible. The higher that is, the more you make. Um, I'm in group 3 right now. I may be in group 4 before the day's over. This is going to sound like nothing right now, but group 4, I'll make out $1.40 today. Group 5, you go up to $3. This is in Bitcoin. Group 6, you'll go to $6. It gets pretty interesting right in here. Group 8, you're making $24 a day in Bitcoin. Now, you got to remember, if you have referrals, if you get direct referrals in here, you're going to make 10% off of what they buy, off of their ad packs and what they put into this. You're going to get 10% of that. So the other day, I had a friend that he wasn't even in group. I think he was in group 6, and he had made $128 that day. And you're not even supposed to make that much. This is because of all the referrals he has and what they bought added on to what he gets for being in group 6. So let me see what it has here for. Okay. You will earn 10% on all video and banner ad purchases or referrals make, both now and in the future. So if your referral buys $100 worth of ads, you will earn $10 in commissions. Okay. So the power of this is so many people love videos. I've seen videos that I've watched right already that I've went ahead and clicked and saved up here because I want to watch them later because they seem very interesting. So this is where you want to get your videos seen and get your views up there so you rank higher in YouTube. This is the place to be. Plus, you're getting paid in Bitcoin. You have to pay in Bitcoin to get in, and you get withdrawal, get Bitcoin. Of course, I haven't made any withdrawals yet. This is like day 3. And what I did as of last night, I made the move and got the premium membership. Premium membership is $19.90 a month. And you get a whole lot more. This right here will tell you exactly everything you get. You also, if you don't have premium membership, you don't get super videos. Now, super videos go from anywhere from a cent 5 cents, 20 cents per video, all the way up to $50 for a video. I have a friend, one of his super videos, he watched it for 20 seconds and he got $33. Another one, he got a couple 20s in there, and he's been in this for like 40 some days, but the majority of them are lower. So be prepared. So you want to join premium membership so you can get the super videos. That just makes your pay go up. Then you got your paid videos. I'm gonna go ahead and do one right now and show you what this is. See, I'm gonna get like 6 cents here for this. Like I said, you got to get your groups up and the money gets better. Get up to about group 6, 7, or 8. And you just got to listen to this for 20 seconds and a link will come up and you click on that and it'll take away down to the next one there. Almost over. There we go. Okay. It's that simple. It's that simple. First thing I recommend you do when you come in here is go to the questions here and read all about this. Then go to the earnings and check this out right here. It tells you how many members are what level. Like I said, before the day's out, I'll be at group 4 and then working my way up. I want to get right in here. I want to get to the top where you're making $135 a day in Bitcoin, and you can withdraw every day. We have people withdrawing. You got to have a minimum of $5 in there to withdraw, but it's a great program. I'm loving it. People ask me, you think it's a scam? Well, if I thought it was a scam, I wouldn't be doing it. That's for one. And if it was a scam, who would tell you it's a scam? That's why I don't understand. People say, is this a scam? Would I be in it if it was a scam? See, I just don't understand people's thought process on that. So as far as I know, it's not a scam. It's working for me and working for about 54,000 other people. So if you're interested, have any questions about this, I'm going to have a link in the description below this video. Go in there, check it out, and see what you can register for free. You don't have to put anything in. You can do this for free. But like I said, it will take you forever to do anything. And before I go, let me show you real quick. Purchase ad packs. What you want to do is you want to deposit some money in here, $4, $5, $6, whatever, up in your balance. And then all you do is come in and say purchase ad packs, $1. It's already set up. You can hit 1. You can change it to whatever you want. Hit purchase ad packs. Done deal. 2,700 goes right here into BVP. Now, if you're a premium member, that number is 3,000 instead of 2,700. That's one of the other perks for being premium, and among many others. If you go premium and pay $19.90 a month, you get up there and around group 6, you'll make your money back in like 2 days. You get up there in group 8, you make your money back that day for the whole month. So it's that great. Then there's a lottery system. The more points you get, the more tickets you have available. Matter of fact, there's a drawing today for 11/10 Sunday, first place, and they'll deposit it right into your account. You don't have to do anything special. Just have points, and you get points for stuff, and that gives you more tickets. You get more tickets for being premium. You get 2 times the amount of tickets if you're a premium member than a regular member. So, all right, guys, with that being said, I'm going to go ahead and close this out. I'm going to start making more videos on this on a daily basis. I wanted to check it out for a couple days and get the feel of this before I made my first video. So, again, I appreciate you watching this. If you like the video, I'd appreciate a thumbs up, and I really would appreciate it if you would subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much, and you guys have a great Sunday. Take care now. And also, I will leave a link for connecting with me on Facebook in the description. Thanks, guys. Have a great day. Bye-bye.